talk to us about just what is culinary medicine first, and then I would love to hear your opinions about how you approached cooking and recipe development for different disease states.
So culinary medicine, as you said, Lindsay, blends the art of cooking with the science of medicine to create restaurant quality meals that help to prevent and treat disease. And my friend Michael Roizen, who is head of the Cleveland Clinic Wellness Institute, and I taught the first class in it at the State University of New York in Syracuse, not quite 20 years ago. And now it's taught in over 50% of medical schools. And the idea behind it is that food should taste delicious, but also work for you if you want to lower your cholesterol or improve your irritable bowel syndrome or reduce your risk for a heart attack or have less arthritis pain or simply more energy and better ways of sleeping.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a science that is beginning to have some meat on it, and I'm really happy that there are lots of models for this, and people are up and running with it everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel lucky to have so many colleagues in it, and I think that the more we learn about it, the more we'll have direct answers to the question of what do you eat for that.
Mm-hmm.